I'm good, bro.
Okay, you're live on Urban TV.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so what's up with Blackets and Wines today?
Blackets and Wine is the whole vibe is always amazing. But though the rain, kintu ekiri nyemu naye nga kijja kutambula tetunakyakikolera tuli bana babirika.
What about the experience when it has rained?
Amazing people, we are still enjoying regardless of the rain. Amazing people are turning up. Honestly speaking, it's been a long time since actually I personally came into Blackets and Wine, but the experience is amazing, you know. Yeah.
How is the mud taking you?
Trust me, I came with boots, boot shoes. I knew the hustle. I'm an African boy. I know this shit.
This is in silence. Some people say mbamuze kulonda.
Aye banatusanga waffe. Tulina okubanoonya.
Muze kweteka.
Nkutidde anyumiza gwako.
Mushema nawe weteka.
Ize. Nange nasotega ndiko kikyamu ki. Ate bananoonyezaawa.
Na for what when you are ku screen, you people who actors, people die for you, not for you to kweteka.
Naffe tulina be tufa. Tebagenda tunoonya, tulina okubanoonya mu bifo byonna bye tubasanga.
Safa kaleba mbumeka.
Nga munaana.
Waliwo obutwalibwa.
Nkutidde.
Nga bushuwa.
Nakasagage.
I'm good, how are you?
You're good. What's up with Blankets?
Blanket is always blanketing. It's a wonderful event. Do not miss.
Not miss. So you people, you always come here to look for men, or you just come to chill?
It's a chill thing. You can't look for a man here. People are just having fun. You'll just get a fake person to play with you. Maybe after the show and they want to go with you.
Yeah? No, let you pick and play.
What is it?
So today it has been a rainy day. How have you come to it?
For Blankets, whether it rains or whatever, it's one of the events I'm always excited to come to. It's one of a kind. It's very different. I can't explain what's different. Outside.
Life has changed.
Yeah, for some of us who don't go to club, this is wonderful.
So Blankets always changes your life. In terms of what? Drinking, men, having fun.
Having fun. Come on. It's a blend of everything. Depends on what you came for. Some people come for that. Me, I'm sorted.
You're sorted?
I'm engaged.
Okay. For Blankets and Wines or out of Blankets and Wines?
Everywhere.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Your night.
Thank you.
Your evening.
You too.
Hey, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
You guys are having fun.
Yeah, we are having fun.
Yes. Blankets and Wines. Okay, we were told to come in boots, but for you in
No, like, not everyone got the information, by the way. Because when you buy a ticket and organize your outfit, you just wait for the day. You're not minding about maybe there's any information that is coming out or something.
But you saw the rain.
I saw it and I thought it will stop or something.
Well, you don't want to change your attire.
Yeah.
So how do you feel like Blankets and Wines in mud?
But it's fun. However much it's disorganizing us down there, but the outfit is still okay.
The outfit is okay.
Yeah.
You said whatever comes, I'm not changing my outfit.
We organize ourselves before the day, so.
Okay. Very many people come here to look for different things. Some look for contacts. Some look for men. Some come to have fun. What did you have?
I come to have fun.
Yes.
Yeah, and play.
And slay.
Yeah.
Tell me about slay. Tell me about slay.
Yeah.
Guys, what do you get from slay?
You know, having fun, feeling good, feeling confident, like being seen, you know, being out there,
Showing off.
showing off.
Did you come with friends?
Yeah, and the hiding.
You come here. Come. Yes, boss.
Yes, I'm fine. How are you?
She has told me you are friend.
Yeah, sure.
And she has come to slay.
Yeah, she has to. She has to.
Are you a slay boy?
Nah, not really.
But you're escorting slay.
Yeah, I do sometimes. I do sometimes, of course.
How do you feel blankets and wines in March?
Yeah, it's cool. Though the weather has destroyed it, but it's okay.
But it's so hard to come.
Yeah, I still had to
You
come.
want us to come in boots and for you putting on your sneakers?
No, of course, this one is high. This one is high, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it has no problem.
You said you're not dropping your designs as whether it rains or what?
Pardon?
You said you're not dropping your designs as whether it rains or what?
Yes, because I had planned this for a long time, so I had to be here.
Okay.
No matter the weather, I had to be here, yeah.
But there's no weather.
Nothing.
Okay, enjoy your night.
Alright.
Put your hands in. I want you to know how much this is one more time. Let's do it. But coming in as our partners, you've done the headlines this time. You know what? We're going to fly all the way to 2.4 talent. That is actually competing for the big prize right here in the